today is Bonfire night and we are in Ramsey to watch the fireworks. Today is also the day that England goes back into lockdown, but we on the Isle of Man are COVID-free, so therefore we get a chance to be with each other and spend time outside and doing fun things. So the fireworks are going ahead, and even though there are less fireworks happening this year on the island, like Douglas have decided to not do their firework night because of the great expense, but Ramsey is still going ahead and I'm sure it will be great fun. So what do you think of the fireworks, Julia?
Good. Hopefully I haven't lost my hat though.
Did you enjoy the fireworks?
Yeah.
And do you think we're very lucky to be able to watch fireworks when
Yeah.
the rest of the
They're
world
better
can't?
than the ones at Disneyland.
You think they're better than
friend.
Disneyland?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is tonight?
Tonight's Bonfire night.
And what is Bonfire night?
Bonfire night is a night where you watch fireworks. And England is going into lockdown today. We are lucky to be able to stand and watch fireworks without COVID-19 on the Isle of Man. So no social distancing for us.
So was it a fun night watching the fireworks?
Here, we stood right next to them. Dad's coming. Is that my hat in his hand? Dad's coming with my hat.
You think he's found your hat?
By the looks of it, it was really amazing and I really wasn't expecting it. I don't think Dad has my hat though.
Was it better than you expected?
Yeah.
Was it a long drive though to get here?
Hour and a half. Dad needs to learn all the parts of the Isle of Man.
So are you tired now?
Yeah, a little. But I just want to go back home.
Is that a big moon behind you?
Yep. I didn't. Yay, my hat!
You are a lucky kid that I noticed you was missing. It must have fallen off when she was looking up in the air.
Yay, I love this hat!
What do you think about the fireworks?
Fireworks were brilliant, really spectacular. Did a very good job with them. Roads are absolutely chocker now.
Nice.
Nobody's going anywhere.
Yep.
Does look like it. I don't think we're in any rush now.
No, we're in no rush now.
Oh yeah, there's a car driving on the prom.
What
Okay.
Please tell me the police are gonna find us.
Will be fun getting out of Ramsey though now.
Oh yeah.
There's just cars and cars for miles. And they're all on standstill.
That car looks like it's on fire.
Does look like it's on fire, yeah. Oh, good grief. Huh. Yeah, we've got loads and loads of cars. Oh well, at least it's a lovely night. The weather's beautiful for the 5th of November.
Centre if you'd want it.
Have you got hiccups?
Yeah, she's had it for a while.
Oh dear. Well, this is Ramsey Square.
I want to go to sleep.
You're tired, are you?
Oh, for goodness sake, kid, it's only 8.
Really?
Well, it will be a
Yes.
while before we get to go home. Well, the roads are so locked that there's no way we're getting out of Ramsey for a while. At least an hour.
Like that, thanks.
We found a really narrow alley. Don't think we've seen that one before. This is Old Post Office Lane.
There's all the post boxes back there for the ones that they made with Queen Victoria, then there's the one that they made with King George, and then there's one with Elizabeth Regina.
Alright, let's go have a look.
It's quite interesting, yeah? Because every time that they make a post box and put it up, they use the current reigning monarch. So when that post box would have been put up, that would have been Victoria Regina. That would have been GR, which must be George, is it? Yeah, George the Sixth, from 1936 to 1952.
Oh.
And then when they needed another post box, oh no, these are fake post boxes. Okay, so then that would have been Elizabeth Regina, which is the current Queen, from 1952.
Wow, that's quite some history.
That would have been 1901, 1837 to 1901. That post box would have been.
So that was the first one.
Well, there'd have been ones
Well,
before
yeah,
that.
I mean
but,
the
you
ones
know.
that are here anyway.
Yeah.
That's the oldest one.
Yeah, that's the oldest one.
That's quite cool, isn't it, Julia?
Such a mishmash everywhere, isn't it? There's just nothing that's the same.
It is a mishmash of architecture. Yeah. Courier Office Lane. We're now walking through Ramsey's High Street. That is Collins Lane. It's quite a tight squeeze to walk through. We're now going to go back to the car and see if we can actually leave Ramsey, if the roads are clear enough. It's weird to see places so derelict right onto the seaside. Faces the waterfront and must have a really, really beautiful view from its windows. But in such a bad state. Real shame. The roads are now clear, so we're gonna head back home. It was a fun little trip to Ramsey to see the fireworks.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, tick, and subscribe down below for more videos. Okay, goodbye. Bye guys.